sasakay po tayo sa... Joke, dito tayo sasakay. Wait lang.
You're my best view.
Nee.
Isn't it cool how the summer fades? I'm still here whispering your name. Tell me about you forever, losing you for good.
Ang ganda. Wala. Wala akong kasama. Anong pangalan mo? Tessa? Ako si China. Yung pamilya ko nasa bahay eh. Ilang taon na kayo? Halos kaedad mo yung kapatid ko na.
Ako, 7.
7 pa pala. Taga Maynila ako. Pero yung mama ko taga dito. Oo. Oh, yung e-bike. Yung nandun.
Wala pa ni video. Video ba na? Hi guys. Sila yung pizza. Ito pizza. Napay pizza?
Siomay!
Gogi, yung nag-shumay na.
Napay pizza?
May pizza, may shumay pa.
Napay pizza?
Nag-video siya.
Vlog.
Oh, wala mag-video.
Diba?
Di, gani. Patanaw sa... Ambi sa gani. Ambi sa gani. Dulu kabaho ko kayo. Nakanindot, day.
Naka-video ni Day.
Ito.
Hi!
Si Padrino late na mag-start.
Kakatapos
Dapat
lang ng
7:30, mag-8 na siya mag-start.
Dress
Ano po yung nagpa-blazing day.
Nag-iwis na?
Automatic.
Something new so sexy about can a woman let me relieve my head? She said she got it no doubt. There's something about her.
Wow!
She works like a boss, play like a boss, car in a crib, she bucks a thing both up. And it feels so big.
The dog. Bow. The dog. The iro. Pak, naligo siya eh, no? Silver spoon ba ni? Silver spoon sa imong mat. Ah! Hi guys, so welcome to our vlog. We're gonna go to the beach today. We're just like preparing. Dami kasing dadalhin. Like, we're gonna make food. Hey! Hi guys! Yung goggles. We're sweet.
Yeah.
I tried to change.
So we're gonna go to Placer Convoy.
Highway yan?
Huh?
Picture highway?
This is... Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm very messy right now. This is Lola Paula's house. We've had so many memories here.
May beer, beer.
Okay, so we're gonna do a house tour. No, because I've talked about this in my private account, but since I have a YouTube account, I-explain ko sa inyo yung mga things or mga bagay dito that I find really interesting. They're so pretty, right? Like, kumuha ako dito ng bulaklak. Ginawa ko siyang bookmark. Oops. There. Actually, they have a lot of plants in here. Yeah. I really love yung mga ganyang, yung parang marble set na table. Yeah. I like it. Parang siyang, I don't know how to explain it. No, parang timeless siya, in my opinion. So, bigat to. May naririnig ako. We've had so many memories here. Nila at Brianna, Kat, Kuya. Like, I forgot kung saan specifically ba yun. Kung dito ba yung banda. But, we used to draw and play here with the dog. Si Bambi. I really love Bambi. Yun lang yung dog na hindi ko kinakatakutan. Kasi takot nga talaga ako sa aso. Okay. I'm more of a cat person kasi like, yeah. Mga gantong times talaga mapapaisip ko na parang ang bilis ng panahon. I'm in my 20s. I'm glad na I decided to come back here, to come back home para, you know, ma-explore at maintindihan ko yung roots ng family ko. I think it's really important to travel. Kailangan mong ma-immerse sa mga lugar na napupuntahan mo. Kailangan mong makipag-connect sa mga tao na nandun. Whenever I'm like not traveling with my family, kaya let's say, ako, like yung mga trippings ko, I usually like do things that are really uncomfortable. Like, mga hiking, ganun. Or pupunta ako sa mga lugar, or like, you know, not taking any private vehicle or whatsoever. It's fun. People are very overprotective when it comes to me, but what can I say? What can I say? Matigas yung ulo ko. I wanna do so many things, no? Look, guys. This is Lola Monay. And I don't know. I forgot the great-great-grandfather's name. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. I don't know if napanood yung tito ko, si 30 Castles, but he posted a Masbate vlog kasi. So, dito kasi, guys, alam nyo, dati, nagkukunari sila, nagde-drive, ginaganto-ganto nila, boom, boom, boom. Tapos, hindi nila alam, yung karayong, tumutusok-tusok na, buti na lang nakaganon sila, like, hindi siya abot sa ulo nila. At sana napuruan sila, no? Ito yung kay Tita Cecil. Cecil. Si Lisa. Ayun, sinulat ni Mami. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yung trophy. Yan yung napalalunan ni Mommy sa pageant niya. So sorry, Mommy, di ako nagpa-pageant. No. It's really messy in here, but like, it just makes me sad, no? How ang dami talagang history na hawak ng mga bagay.
Is it recording now? What's recording? What ganon? What is this? Get out sa mong mata.
Ayan guys,
Buko ba ni?
Oo. Di ba natin ko?
Bito?
Ano?
Di man ni buko.
Ayan guys! Buha tayo ng buko.
Lupe.
Lubi sa imong
Sige
now.
na, sige na please. Vlog tayo,
Okay.
vlog. Ayan guys. Buha tayo buko.
Tara, buy-buy mana.
Dito ba tayo banda nag-drawing? Nandito yung banda eh. Camera. Baya, batuhan mo yung camera ko.
Your grandfather Videncio.
Yes.
Beside you po.
We are beside each other. The thing is my mother.
Lalamon.
Monay.
Lalamon.
Ramona. Beside her is Domingo Plaza.
Domingo.
My grandfather.
Okay, so we're on our way to Capitana Coffee to grab some matcha. I'll put their Facebook page and location on the screen if you want to check them out. They also serve tiramisu, and I actually got to try it the same day because they gave me a slice. It was really good, but I decided to order the Biscoff dessert instead so I could try something different. Now, what I really love about it is that di siya nakakaumay. Like, you can really taste each layer and how the flavors come together. Like, I'm not really a sweet tooth kind of girl, but this one definitely changed my life. So if you ever find yourself in Placer, please make sure to stop by and give them a visit. Thank you.
Nabisi ko sa yung mga
Yung tiramisu namin may dalawang flavor lang kami.
Ano yan?
Yung Biscoff tsaka classic.
Bili ako isang yung may bisco.
Yung malaki, yung maliit.
Yung maliit.
Sige.
Tapos, 3 matcha latte.
Kasi tawag tayo ng mag-iso naman naglakaw.